Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here. How are you today, Emily?
I'm fantastic, Paul. I am feeling very happy and excited about the future.
Oh, the future. That sounds like a big topic. It is a great topic for today.
Yes, exactly. Today, we are going to talk about the future, how to talk about your plans, your dreams, your goals in English.
That's a wonderful idea. Talking about the future is so important. But first, a quick message for all our amazing listeners.
That's right. If you like our podcast, please take a moment to subscribe to Mr. English Channel. And don't forget to give this episode a like and share it with your friends.
Yes, please do. It helps us a lot. Okay, Emily, the future. Where do we start?
Let's start with a simple question. Paul, what will you do after this podcast?
After the podcast, I think I will drink a big glass of water.
A great plan. You said, I will drink a glass of water. That's perfect for talking about the future.
Ah, yes. We use the word will. W-I-L-L. Will. It's for the future.
It is. Will is super easy. We use it for a decision we make right now or just a simple fact about the future. Like you, Paul, you just decided, I will drink water.
Exactly. It wasn't a big plan. It was a small, quick decision for the near future. Can I give another example?
Please do.
Okay. I feel a little hungry. I think I will eat a sandwich for lunch.
Perfect. You are hungry now, so you decide now, I will eat a sandwich. It's simple and easy.
And the best part is, it's the same for everyone. I will, you will, he will, she will, it will, we will, they will. So easy.
No changes. I love that. For example, my friend Sarah will call me tonight. Or they will watch a movie later.
And what about questions? How do we ask a question with will?
Oh, good question, Paul. We just change the order. So instead of, you will come to the party, we ask, will you come to the party?
Ah, simple. So I can ask you, Emily, will it be sunny tomorrow?
I hope so. I can say, yes, it will, or no, it won't.
Won't? What is won't?
Won't is the short form for will not. It's the negative. So, it will not be sunny or it won't be sunny.
I see. So, I will eat a sandwich, but I won't eat a big pizza for lunch.
Me too. So, that is will. It's great for quick decisions or predictions. But what about plans, Paul? Real plans that we think about.
For plans, we use something different. It's a special phrase. For example, Emily, what are you doing this weekend? Do you have plans?
Yes, I do. I have a plan. On Saturday, I am going to visit my parents.
There it is. I am going to visit. That is the phrase we use for plans. Going to.
Yes, when you have a plan, something you decided before, you use going to. Visiting my parents is my plan for the weekend.
So, it's not a quick decision like my glass of water. It's a real plan. I have a plan for the weekend, too.
Oh, what is it?
I am going to clean my apartment. It's a lot of work.
Oh, that is a plan. A necessary plan sometimes. So you say, I am going to clean. Perfect.
And this one is a little different from will. We need to use the verb to be.
That's a very important point, Paul. We need am, is, or are.
Exactly. So for me, I say, I am going to clean. What about for you, Emily?
For me, I say, I am going to visit my parents. Same as you.
Okay. And for our friend Mark, he has a plan. He is going to play soccer on Saturday.
Yes, he is going to play. And our friends Maria and David, they are going to have a party.
They are going to have a party. Great! So, we have to remember, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. And then, going to plus the verb.
You got it. It's a little longer than will, but it's perfect for showing you have a plan. It shows you have thought about the future.
I like that. It feels organized. Having a plan is good. So, let's see. Next week, I am going to start a new book. That's my plan.
That's a great plan. What book is it?
It's an English book, of course, to practice more.
Of course. A very good plan. And for me, let's see. Next month, I am going to travel to the beach for a few days.
Wow, Emily, that sounds amazing. A real vacation.
Yes, it's a plan I made a long time ago. So, I am going to travel is perfect here. I have the tickets, I have the hotel. It's a fixed plan.
That's a great example. Will is for a maybe, a quick idea. Going to is for a real, solid plan.
Yes. And you know, Paul, talking about plans and the future makes me think about dreams.
Dreams. I love dreams. Big dreams for the future.
Me too. Having dreams is so important. It gives us motivation. It makes us happy.
It really does. A dream is like a big, beautiful plan for your life.
Exactly. And we can use will and going to talk about our dreams. For example, someone can say, one day I will be a doctor.
That's a beautiful dream. I will be a doctor. It's a strong belief about the future.
It is. Or someone can have a plan to make that dream happen. They can say, next year, I am going to study biology at the university.
Ah, I see. The dream is big. I will be a doctor. The plan is the first step. I am going to study biology.
Yes, it is so important to have a plan for your dreams. A dream without a plan is just a wish.
That is so true. If you have a dream, you need to make small plans to get there. Small steps.
Small steps are the best. For example, if your dream is, I will speak English fluently, what is a good first plan?
A good first plan could be, tomorrow I am going to watch one episode of Mr. English Channel.
I love that plan. Or, this week, I am going to learn 10 new English words.
Yes, these small plans are not scary. They are easy to do. And every small plan you complete takes you one step closer to your big dream.
That's the secret. Don't just dream, make a plan, even a very small one. Do you have a big dream, Paul?
Oh, yes, I do. One day, I will travel around the world.
Wow, that is a big and wonderful dream.
It is, and I have a plan for it. Next year, I'm going to save more money.
That's a very good and practical plan. A great first step.
Thank you. What about you, Emily? What is a big dream you have?
My dream is that I am going to write a book for children.
Emily, that is a beautiful dream. I am sure you will do it. You are a great storyteller.
Aw, thank you, Paul. It's a big dream, but I have a plan. This month, I am going to write 1 page every day.
See? A perfect small step. 1 page a day is not too much, but after a month, you will have 30 pages.
Exactly. It's about being consistent. It's about not giving up. Sometimes a dream can feel very big, very far away.
It can. And sometimes we feel tired or we think, oh, this is too difficult.
Yes, everyone feels that way sometimes. But that is when you must look at your small plan. Just focus on the next step. Not the big dream, just the small plan for today.
That is great advice. If my dream is to travel the world, I don't think about all the countries at once. I just think, today, I am not going to buy that expensive coffee. I am going to save that money.
Yes, perfect. Small actions. For all our listeners, I want to say, your dreams are important. Don't let anyone tell you they are too big.
That's right. And it is never too late to make a new dream or a new plan. The future is a wonderful thing because it is not written yet. You are going to write it.
You are going to write it. I love that, Paul. So let's talk about some useful words for the future. Words that help us say when.
Oh, time words. Yes, very useful. Like tomorrow.
Tomorrow, the day after today. I will call you tomorrow. Or I am going to the supermarket tomorrow.
And we have tonight, the evening of today. We are going to watch a movie tonight.
Good one. What about for the week?
We can say next week. For example, I am going to start my new job next week.
Congratulations on the new job.
It's just an example. And we also have next month and next year.
Yes, she is going to have a baby next month. That's a big plan.
A very big plan. And we are going to buy a new car next year.
These words are like signs on a road. They tell us when the plan is going to happen.
They do. We can also be more specific. We can say in 2 days, or in 3 weeks, or in 5 years.
Oh, yes. My brother is going to visit me in 2 days. I'm so excited.
So many plans, Emily. My example is, in 10 years, I will live in a house by the beach. That's part of my big dream.
I love that. Using will for a dream in the distant future. It sounds so hopeful and nice.
The future is full of hope, and making plans helps us feel in control and positive.
It really does. So let's do a quick review. We use will for what, Paul?
We use will for a quick decision or a simple fact or prediction about the future. I think it will rain tomorrow.
Perfect. And we use going to for...
We use going to for plans, things we have already decided to do. I am going to study English tonight.
Excellent. And we learned that it's good to have big dreams, but it's very important to make small, clear plans to reach them.
Yes, don't be afraid to dream, and don't be afraid to plan. Your future is yours.
Wow, this was a really positive and hopeful conversation, Paul. I feel inspired to go write my 1 page for today.
Me too. I feel inspired to go save my money for my trip.
That's the spirit. And we hope all of you listening feel inspired too.
Yes, and that brings us to the end of another episode of Mr. English Channel. It was so much fun talking about the future with you all.
It was. Before we go, we have a small request for you. Please, if you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next one.
And give us a like and share this podcast with your friends and family who are also learning English.
And now for our favorite part. We want you to practice. Please, write a comment below. Tell us about your future.
Yes, tell us one thing you are going to do tomorrow, and tell us one big dream you have for your future. Use will or going to.
We would absolutely love to read about your plans and your dreams. It's so wonderful to share these things.
It really is. Thank you all so much for listening. Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and keep smiling.
That's right. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye, everyone. Take care.